What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. Check out these adorable strawberry cheesecake crunch cones, perfect for this upcoming spring and summer season. With my famous vegan cheesecake recipe stuffed into ice cream cones with berry compote and loaded up with strawberry crunch. These handheld little treats are sure to please everyone at your next gathering, and they are really easy to make. First, we have to make my famous cheesecake recipe, which is simply throwing all the ingredients into a food processor. And that would be the vegan cream cheese. I'm also adding sugar, cornstarch, and flour, and some vegan lactic acid for that signature tang we all love about cheesecakes. A spot of vegan butter and some plant milk, and then just whiz it up smooth. That's how easy it is to make this recipe. Now, I'm using these sphere molds because I thought I was a big old smarty pants and I would get the perfect scoop of baked cheesecake to mimic a scoop of ice cream for these cones, but stay tuned because this was a major fail. Next, let's coat the insides of these ice cream cones with vegan white chocolate. This is necessary because I'm going to be making a berry compote to stuff inside the cones, and that would surely turn them into a soggy mess in minutes if I didn't give them a moisture barrier. White chocolate is the best way to do this. I'm also dipping part of the outside of the cone so that I can coat them with strawberry crunch. Strawberry crunch is simply some extra strawberry cake that I had in my freezer. It's perfect for a project like this, and you know I'm always telling you guys never throw away your cake scraps, and this is why. But if you don't have strawberry cake laying around, you can use vanilla cake instead with some freeze-dried fruit powder added to it. Additionally, I cut some vanilla cake wedges to stuff down into the cones, and that's an added barrier to soak up the berry juices. I mean, just how delicious does all of this sound? Okay, now for the berry compote, and it's a very simple stovetop recipe, and I almost always use frozen berries. To me, frozen berries work the best. They're already breaking down because of the freezing process, and that way I never have to add any water to help them cook. And sometimes I don't even add sugar, depending on what berry I'm using and how sweet they were to begin with. And in about 15 to 20 minutes, you have a beautiful thick compote that is actually going to thicken up even more as it cools. All right, now let's get to this major cheesecake fail. My sphere mold was the absolute wrong size. This is not an ice cream scoop. This is a hockey puck. So it's a good thing that I baked some of the cheesecake batter into a cake pan, and I just made this whole project easier anyway, because just scooping the cheesecake directly onto the ice cream cone is just way easier. So as always, leave the failures to me so that you can have success with my recipes every time. All right, but before we're putting the cheesecake on top of the cones, we have to fill them up with this luscious berry compote. And then the cheesecake goes right on top. Add some strawberry crunch. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make these. But how the heck do you eat one? Well, just grab one and take a bite. Oh my God, you guys, these strawberry cheesecake crunch cones are so delicious. The berry compote with each bite of cheesecake, I just can't explain how utterly delicious these are. I really hope that you're going to want to try this recipe. So head over to GretchensVeganBakery.com for all the best vegan bakes. And until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.